Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about moving average convergence and divergence, also known as MACD. It is one of the most used indicators for traders, and it's a very useful tool to determine price action, uh, the change in trend, and the momentum in the price. First, let's go and see how we can deploy MACD indicator on our chart using TradingView. So I'll simply go in indicators, type MACD. There you go. It's deployed, as you can see over here, and you can simply go and configure the moving average indicator if you want to change colors of the line or the histogram. Now, a bit about the components of moving average, convergence and divergence, also known as MACD. The blue line over here indicates the MACD line, whereas the orange line is known as the control line. And the third element of MACD is the histogram that you see over here appearing in green and red. And this histogram is basically deployed on a zero line over here. So when it goes green, it's above zero. When it goes red, it's basically below zero. All right. Now, a bit more technical stuff about MACD lines and the control line. The MACD line basically comprises of a 12-day moving average divided by 26-day exponential moving average. Whereas the control line is to just smooth out the trend, and it's based on a 9-day moving average. This is just something for your information that you need to know exactly how this is computed and how the chart is plotted. But we'll talk about more how to use this chart. So, whenever a MACD line and a control line intersect each other, that signals a shift in trend. And that's when you will notice that the histogram also changes in color. So if you notice over here that the MACD line just intersected the control line, and you will see the histogram also change color from green to red, indicating a trend shift. So when the lines come close to each other, it's called convergence, and when the lines move away from each other, it's called divergence. The more they move apart, the stronger the momentum, and vice versa. The bars on the histogram shows the strength of the price action or momentum in the trend. The stronger the movement or the momentum, the larger the bars on the histogram. So if you see now, when these histogram bars are increasing in length, you will see that the gap between these two lines is also increasing. That means the momentum is increasing and they are diverting from each other. So if you see from here, the lines intersected, the histogram changed to green, and from that point onward you will see there is a gap which is increasing between the lines, and therefore you see the histogram also increasing in length. And as soon as the histogram starts squeezing, you will also see that the lines start squeezing and start to converge to each other, and that's when a trend is going to change. So basically this indicator tells you when the trend is about to change. All right, now let's see how we can use this MACD indicator. Let me just make it bigger. So just to understand this, whenever the moving average line and the control line are above this zero line, that means at that point the market or the price is in uptrend. Whenever these lines are below the zero line, you will see that the price is in a downtrend. So whenever the MACD line and control lines are below this zero line, the market or the price of that particular stock will always be in a downtrend. And when they're above, the price will always be an uptrend. Let's take a look and see if this is correct. Now, over here, you see that the MACD line and control line are below zero line, and you will see that the price action is moving downwards. As soon as the line intersected each other and started moving above and crossed the zero line, you will see that the price action has started moving up. And that's when you see a stronger trend has started to move up, because now the price is in uptrend. Again, when you see that the lines intersected and the histogram converts to red, the price starts falling. And when both these lines started going below zero line, we are officially in a downtrend and the stock price will gradually start declining. This is where you will either short the stock, or at least you won't be investing and you will take your position out. Now, let's just move forward and see. Again, over here, you see that the price over here is in this zone. The price is in constant downtrend, and you will see over here as well that the price action depicts that the price is at least not going up, but it's slightly declining. And then soon after that, when at this stage, when you see the lines are above, the prices started moving up again. And now we are in an uptrend. And then again the trend changes and the price started moving down, and now you see the prices again started going in a downward trend, and then again starts picking up over here and starts moving up. And now you see a stronger trend over here because the line intersected here, the price and now they're crossing the zero line. You will see the price action has changed and the trend is strong, and you will see that the histograms are consistently strong, longer bar charts, and therefore the price is moving consistently up. And that's how you should move. You should use the MACD indicator to better track price action and track the trend in the market. So in a nutshell, you should never take a position or invest in a stock if you see the MACD lines are below the zero line. You should always take a position, or I would say it is safe to take a position whenever MACD line and the control line are above the zero line level. And it's always good that you take a position as per our rule that when the line intersects, that's when you should get in and make sure that it is going above the zero line. And as soon as you see that it has intersected, let me just remove this. As soon as it intersects, that's when you should bail out and take your profits, and you will see that the price has gradually started going down, and this is the point where you should not be invested because now the market is in downtrend. Pretty simple. I hope that you understood how to use MACD and you can apply it in your day-to-day trading. Thank you very much.